Hey guys, I'm Nick from Apollo Optics, and today we're going to talk about the Baja Designs 30-inch S8 light bar kit for the 2017 and up Ford Raptors. So, we're going to start off with unboxing the kit and what you'll get. First, here's your bar itself. This, as we said before, is the 30-inch kit. It's going to be available in multiple different beam patterns, including spot, driving combo, wide, flood, amber driving combo, and amber wide. So to start, this kit is going to put out a whopping 13,560 lumens, all of which is going to bolt right into your truck with the associated brackets. First, you're going to start with this set of brackets. These brackets are going to secure the light bar to the truck itself. Then you're going to have a secondary set of brackets that hold the L brackets to the truck itself. Now, the rest of the kit is going to include the wiring. The wiring is going to be a simple weather pack connector, and Baja Designs includes their Ford Raptor upfitter wiring harness. This upfitter wiring makes installation very simple. First, you're going to have this plug. This plug will connect directly to the output on the back of your light bar. Then you'll have 3 output wires. The white wire is going to be your main power wire. This is what you're going to use to connect to your upfitter auxiliary wiring. You'll connect this. Now the green wire is going to be connected to the amber backlights. This green wire is what's used to power the amber backlight feature in each of the 10-inch sections in this 30-inch light bar. When connecting these, I recommend using the Grille light or the side marker light for power. You don't want to use the amber bar on the side of the headlight because then your backlight feature is going to flash along with that every time you hit your signal, and most folks probably don't want that. Now, if you're not comfortable tapping in to that set of wiring, you can also run this to an upfitter switch itself. Now, when you have so few switches to work with, some folks may see it as a waste, however, it could still work. Lastly, you're going to have your ground. Take this ring terminal and connect it to one of the factory ground points on the front passenger side fender. Now, let's talk a little bit more about the light bar itself. Each 10-inch section has a faceplate and its own lenses. You can modify these lenses thanks to Baja Design's Use Service feature. Simply take Allen wrenches to unbolt the faceplate, remove the faceplate, remove the lens itself, and remove the gasket behind it. Then replace the gasket, swap in your new lens, which could be amber or clear of a various beam pattern, and then put it all back together and fasten the screws tightly. In addition to the main light that you see on this light bar, we also have an amber backlight feature. So in each of these 10-inch sections, you're going to have amber backlights. What's really cool about the amber backlights is they line up perfectly with the grille markers in your Ford Raptor. So that wraps up our discussion of the Baja Designs 30-inch S8 Raptor light bar kit. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at sales@apollo-optics.com or simply go to our website and click on the Contact Us button. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.